I never intended to start a YouTube channel. Let's go back to July last year, just over 12 months ago. I had just finished my first 3 months on the carnivore diet. I had some fantastic results. I was quite excited, and basically I just wanted to share my story. So one day I picked up my camera and filmed my story. And then I thought, what am I going to do with this little video I've made? I did have a YouTube channel, but it was all about camping and kayaking, and I thought it doesn't really belong there. So I thought I may as well make a new channel and see what happens with it. So I made my new channel and I posted that little video, and as they say in the classics, the rest is history, because it's been a phenomenal year of learning and growth and pain and frustration and reward and a whole mixture of emotions. But here we are, August 2025, 13 months later, and would you believe I have just ticked over 10,000 subscribers. Not only that, but I'm just about 3,000 views shy of having 500,000 views on the channel. You know, YouTubers call them views, I call them people. You think about that, 500,000 people you've had the opportunity to speak to. That's the power of YouTube. Then there was another milestone just recently, last May, I think. I recorded a little video that I nearly didn't post because I thought it wasn't much good. But that video is now at 99,000 views. It's just a few hundred short of 100,000. My pride would like to say I've got a 100,000 view video. But look, it doesn't really matter, does it? The numbers are not important. What is important is why you do this and why I do it. You see, it's so easy to get caught up in the numbers, and I know YouTubers, because I speak to many of them, they often stress over the numbers. I can't get subscribers, I can't get views, and I think sometimes we can over-focus on that, and I'm guilty of it myself. I'm always looking to see how many views and how many subscribers and so forth, as if that really matters, as if that's the primary driver. Look, really, we want to get a word out. We have a message to tell, we have a story to tell, we have something to tell to the world, and we use YouTube to do it. And that's really what it's all about. For me, my history on YouTube has been shaped around three quite different questions. And the first question is, what is my niche? That is, what is my topic? What am I going to talk about on my YouTube channel? And I discovered pretty quickly, I worked out I wanted to speak about the carnivore diet and its power to change lives. But then you have to also ask is, who am I talking to? You see, you've got to not only know your topic, you've got to know your audience. Who is it that is listening to you? You know, you cannot just aim broadly at everybody, because nobody will think it's relevant. You've got to target your audience to one particular group. Now, in this case for me, my group, I didn't find my group found me, because YouTube will tell you a breakup of who your audience are. And for me, it was very pronounced. Over 80% of my audience are over 60, and over 70% of them are male. Then I found that they are pretty much spread across three main geographical locations: Australia, the USA and the UK. Now, of course, there's others on the list that we could add, but they're the three main groups who listen to me. So you begin to get a picture of who you're speaking to. So you might notice, if you looked at my video topics in recent days, that many of my topics are related to guys. This is because 70 to 80% of the people who listen to me are guys. So it makes sense. Now, I don't want to exclude the ladies by any means, but ladies, if you've ever felt he's often talking to guys, this is the reason why. Knowing your target audience and being able to get yourself into their shoes. You see, I'm a guy. I'm 69 years of age, so I identify with that group. I can identify with that age group in so many ways. I know what it's like to reach that milestone, be retired, have some achievements, but also have some regrets and to have issues with your health. So I'm speaking to those people, and I'm wanting to speak to them about the carnivore diet. But the third question is, who am I in the carnivore space? This is really important, and I think a lot of YouTubers don't get to this question. Who am I in this space? You see, okay, I'm speaking to older guys in the carnivore world, but who am I? I found it easier to start off by saying, who aren't I? Well, it's easy. I'm not a doctor. And carnivore can be a very medical field at times, and it's tempting to get into medical topics, but I've got to face the fact I'm not a doctor and I shouldn't try to be a doctor. Besides, in the carnivore space, there is quite a growing number of fantastic doctors who are speaking every day on YouTube as doctors speaking into the carnivore community. So what good would it be for me, an uneducated, retired Aussie with no medical training, to start speaking like a doctor? It doesn't make sense. So I'm not a doctor. I'm also not an expert. I'm not an expert on nutrition. I'm not an expert on cameras and technology, on video editing, any of those things. I cannot do lavish, fast transitions and fancy titles and all of the lights and the technical stuff that so many YouTubers have today. I can't do that. So who am I? Well, I'm Larry. I'm retired. I'm 69, as I said. I'm a pensioner. I've got life experience. Most of my life I've had to speak in public, so that part came relatively easy to me, although it's a whole different ball game, speaking to a camera rather than to an actual crowd. But who am I? I like to see myself as a companion on the road, as a fellow traveller, someone who is doing this journey with you. Someone who is there for you to answer your questions, to be your cheerleader, to try and motivate people and to inspire people to change the whole of their life on the carnivore diet. Now that helps me tremendously because they're the sort of videos I'm going to make. So this has been a journey for me on YouTube. I've been wanting to communicate everything I can just to see people start on this journey. That's perhaps what I'm most passionate about. I want to see people start. I want people to know it's never too late. It's never too late to start this journey, to take responsibility for your health, to change your life. I'm passionate about that. And so every time I read a story, and I'm blessed because I've had over 1,000 people now share their story with me. I'm blessed out of my socks because every time I read a story that somebody is starting, I get so excited because that's my mission, to encourage people to start this journey, to keep going, to work their way around the obstacles and to change their life on the carnivore diet. I get passionate about our health system that I see as so corrupt and so messed up that I see so many of our doctors are just merely puppets of Big Pharma, and that they're just prescribing pills for people and they're not talking to them about diet. They're not talking to them about lifestyle. And I'm excited that there are now a growing number of doctors who are doing that. But so many people who listen to me on this channel are struggling with their doctor. They're struggling with the doctor bullying them, or trying to manipulate them to give up carnivore and to go back to their pills. Look, don't do that, will you? There's a better way. And find yourself a doctor who will prescribe lifestyle. I've said all this before. I'm getting carried away on my hobby horse here. But look, that's what I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about trying to help people my age who start carnivore and then run into trouble, not just with their doctor, but with their family and with their friends who tell them they're crazy. And it's often, we often just brush it off and say, don't worry about them. But this is family. This is maybe your daughter who's a nurse, or someone telling you in your family who really loves you and is concerned for you that they think you're crazy. And this is a real live issue for people. And one of my passions is to help people get through that and to navigate a way through that, so that you can be who you are and yet stay connected and joined to your family and to your friends, and to navigate all of those social situations. So these are many of the topics that I'm just brushing over here that I've made videos on. I've made over 230 videos in 13 months, and I'm not stopping now. There is so much work to be done, and we are not going to give up. Sometimes people ask me, are you making any money on YouTube? Well, for a whole year I didn't. Now I'm making a little bit. You know, you want to get rid of the success stories you hear, but people that reckon they make $1 million overnight. That doesn't really happen. The reality is you have to work very hard for very long for very little or almost nothing for a long time before you see any fruits. But I'm now just starting to see some income from AdSense and affiliate marketing and other little projects that I'm in. It's not much. I'm on the pension, so it's just a little side income that helps me on the pension, and I'm happy to share more about that with you at any time. If you're interested, just let me know. But look, thanks for watching. Not only this video, thanks for watching for those of you that have been with me from the start, that have followed this journey, that have been part of this journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so glad you're here. So many of you have subscribed, over 10,000 people. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. Cannot even get my words out now. I would love it if you would join my Facebook group, the Carnivore Pensioner, where we can interact together. And finally, I would love it if you would consider becoming a member of my channel. Members make a little contribution each month. I think it's $4 or $5, and you get every video 24 hours before anyone else does. You also get members only videos, more behind the scenes and personal stuff. And if you wanted to join up there, just click the join button on the screen below the video. But look, thanks for watching, not only this video but all through the year. It's been fantastic. I'm not quitting. I'm not going anywhere. We've got work to do. We're going to get this message out. We're going to change the world one story at a time. So God bless you, and see you in the next video.